Now on the exam, they'll give you the formula. That I stands for the intensity, that S is the standard one, and that M is the magnitude. So they'll give you this formula. So for part A, calculate the intensity of the earthquake in Chile in terms of a standard earthquake. So we want to solve for I. We know that M is 9.5. And we're solving for something inside of the log. So we have to think back to 5.7. When we were solving for something inside of a log, when the x was inside of the log, what we wanted to do was use the definition of a logarithm to change it to exponential form. That was the most important concept. Sometimes we had to use our log laws first to get a single log. As a first step is getting things as a single log. This one is already a single logarithm. So we can go right away to exponential form. What's the base? 10. That's why everything is a power of 10 on a logarithmic scale. The exponent is 9.5 equals I over S. So if we wanted to solve for I, we just multiply both sides by S. And this earthquake is 10 to the 9.5 times more intense than the standard earthquake. So now for part B, and we'll solve it with the shortcut first, and then we'll use the formulas, because I know you will all like the shortcut much better. So the Haiti earthquake on the other one had a magnitude of 7. Our Chile earthquake had a magnitude of 9.5. Just taking 9.5 and subtracting 7 gives us 2.5. Every time we go up by 1, it's 10 times bigger. So if we go up by 2.5, it will be 10 to the 2.5 times as intense. And that's really straightforward and really simple. And you can use the same strategy if it was a pH scale. And they're going from a pH, something on the pH scale from 3 to 5.5. It's going up 2.5. So it would be that much more acidic, or vice versa, depending on which way you're going. Okay? Now, for this one, using the formula, we've figured out the intensity of the earthquake in Chile. We similarly could figure out the intensity of, this one is Chile, the intensity of Haiti to be 10 to the 7 standard. When we want to compare them, right? The comparison would be that we would take the intensity of Chile and divide it by the intensity of Haiti, which would be 10 to the 9.5 times S over 10 to the 7 times S. And the S's cancel out, and your exponent laws would be to subtract, and you get 10 to the 2.5 that way as well. That's using the formulas. Most people don't like to use the formulas because it's so intuitive for figuring it out that you can just say it that way. Earthquake questions and pH scale questions, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 11. I'll put the commas in the wrong place to confuse people online that aren't listening.